Today we'll talk about how can you disable new permissions notifications on your Hang app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, click here on your photo profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on push notifications. Then you come here to permissions, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's main permissions, disable notifications, disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.